beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie and I post a lot of beauty related content here on YouTube. If they're the kind of videos you love to watch, then please hit that subscribe button down below. Today is a very special video. I am starting already with my eye makeup on because I was just testing the new I Heart Revolution tin palette, and let's just say I love it. Today's video is really special because my dear friend Alex has launched her own brand. She has a little Etsy shop and she just launched one product, and I must admit, this one product I cannot wait to test. And I thought, instead of just testing it off camera, I like to do videos, so let's test this on YouTube. And I just like to say a message to Alex, like, I'm so freaking proud of you. I cannot wait to test this product. You are amazing, and I cannot wait for your brand to just expand a lot. Like, literally, you're gonna smash it. So yeah, without further ado, let me show you the product. I think I lost the product. Wouldn't be a Lizzie video if I didn't know where something was, would I? Oh, found it. So I have actually opened it up, but this is what the packaging looks like when you open it up. Her brand is called Angel Cosmetics with Alixkate, and obviously there's little angel wings there. And now you guys can see the product. It is a sponge. I am so excited to try it because not only is it just a sponge, but it's in the shape of a fucking mango, and I bloody love mangoes. I absolutely love them. So this is how it is small, like not wet or anything. It's really soft and bouncy. This only cost £6, so affordable. I cannot wait to test this. I actually think I'm gonna buy some more. I know I'm gonna buy more of these. I love sponges, but when they're affordable, I can't. I hope she brings out more, and I haven't even tested this because I know it's going to be amazing. So let's go and wet this bad boy. And then this is how it looks like wet. It did soak up a lot of water really quickly. So what I usually do is I get tissue and I wring off with tissue the excess water. With this I had to do it twice, but it didn't lose its shape. It still looks nice and bouncy. It's even softer. I am super excited. I don't think I've been more excited for a brand more than I am for this, because it's a friend and she's released an amazing product. So what foundation do I use? I have this in front of me, but this is like a tin, and it's not something that you use with a blender. It's something you use with a brush. Let's use my conceal and define. I've only got F8, which is my tan shade, so I might have to bring it down my neck a bit, or a lot. Oh my god, I didn't put primer on. I was that excited. I haven't put primer on my skin. Okay, it's fine, it's fine. I've moisturized, it's okay. All right, now what I like the most about this sponge is the little nook here, because I struggle with in between my nose. Makeup always separates there, and no sponge, it's got the very nice nook to really get in there. I feel like this does, so I feel like we need to zoom you in. Look at that. I do feel like I'm gonna have to wash this for the thumbnail. It's like every edge of it is built for your face. Even though my skin hasn't got any primer on, this is able to move and manipulate the product as I need it to. I usually struggle between my eyebrows. Wow. I just need to drag the foundation down my neck, so I'm just going to add a bit more on. It's obviously soaked up product, but my face still has a lot of coverage on it. I am in love. Let me just go and do the rest of my makeup off camera, and we'll come back and discuss this sponge. I love it. I absolutely love this sponge. I'm so happy for her. Alex, this sponge is incredible. I'm so happy you've done this. £6. Can you believe it? And look how much it moves. It's so nice. I love this, absolutely love it. Alex, you smashed it. I went and quickly washed it so I could take a thumbnail, and it kept its shape. It's still as squishy and as movable and bouncy as it was when I first used it. It's made the application of my foundation go on seamlessly. I have no issues with this sponge. This is £6. Now, one of my favorite ones from Revolution is £5, which is kind of as soft. However, this one, even softer. So £1 more, supporting a small business. So hopefully she can bring out some more products, because I'm waiting for those. I literally cannot wait. This is stunning. I am happy with it. I love that it's a mango, because mangoes are one of my favorite fruit. I love all the more exotic fruits, mango, pineapple. I love it, and this just worked amazingly. If there's any questions you have about this sponge, please let me know. But if you are looking for a new sponge to blend out your foundation, use for contour, bronzing, liquid blush, because we all know we like a good liquid blush right now, this is the sponge for you. The shape is so unique. It's something I've not seen before, and I love it. I love everything about this. So I hope you did enjoy this video. Please smash it huge thumbs up, subscribe down below, and check my description box, because I'm going to link Alex's Etsy as well as her YouTube channel, because if you don't know, she also has a YouTube channel, and if you like Revolution like me, you're gonna love her channel. So please head over. You probably know who she is already. Makeupwithalixkate. I don't even think I've said that, so definitely go and head over to that, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.